I'm talking to Reuben Such about IPE. Reuben, IPE, it started as an audio SI. How did you develop the company and then move into products?
Well, we're still an audio SI, but well, say audio and visual now as well. We do a lot of and AV. I'll throw it all into the mix for a good measure. We've evolved as a company in that respect. We're still very well respected. It's still part of our core industry. Approximately 11 years ago, as part of our SI work, our MD was fed up with making the sort of mattresses and the boxes that go on walls to house the clocks and the tallies, and so we just thought, well, is there a way of designing a new elegant solution to do this? So our in-house design team that we had at the time was set a task to try and develop it, and to be honest, it got taken up by the BBC, and it's expanded massively from there onwards, to be honest, much more than we ever could have anticipated, and it's evolved into the solution that we see on the market now.
So IDS really came out of necessity. You needed a tidy solution. Nobody was offering it, so you spotted a gap in the market.
Completely. We were the innovators, for this solution. There are the products out there on the market, but what we did at the time is almost we supplied a product to a customer to fit a problem they didn't know they had, with a solution they didn't know was available. So in that respect, we did the proof of concept, we did the test runs on site, and it literally, the best bit about IDS is the fact that once people have it, they love it, they use it more, and they say, well, it does this, can it do this? And the rest is history from where we are now, all over the world.
So users are really driving continuing development.
Definitely, and users from different areas of the company as well. I meet with the marketeers, I meet with the finance, the CTOs, the engineers, the end users. You've got different people from different skill sets all coming into the technical workflows, all coming into the technical workplace now. So we've had to adapt our product to meet all of these different needs. Some people want to just come in and press a button and something happens, whether that's a light, a camera, or a branding element. Some people want to get underneath it and be the evangelist of the product on site and actually run it and engineer it. So we have really had to change the product to meet all these different needs and requirements.
And I gather it's not a European success, it's a global success.
Definitely, we've had great success recently in the Middle East. It's gaining traction in America and India and places like that as well now. So mainland Europe, we've got many installations. The UK is still our primary source of customer base, and we have some of the biggest blue chip clients in the world, as luckily enough as our clients. But we are looking and currently expanding everywhere.
And the traditional broadcaster you would think of as your core market, but of course the industry is changing beyond recognition into adjacent markets, into AV, into streaming companies setting up production.
Exactly.
Are your products following that?
Definitely. We've seen a real shift in terms of how last year, I think we had a 70% growth in new clients, and they've come from all different areas. As I've said before, there's this convergence between different industries. So IDS really does now translate to AV, to commercial, to healthcare, to education. It can be tweaked to meet that particular pain point of a customer. And it's really exciting actually, again, because it makes us as a vendor never stand still. We don't become stagnant. We can constantly evolve our product.
Sounds like the recipe for success. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much.